Breaking news: Samson, Salamat and human rights leaders meet victims' family, assure full support for justice. On March 29, Samson Salamat, along with prominent human rights activists and leaders, met with the parents and siblings of Christian girl Maria Shebas. During the meeting, the pain, grief, and distress on the faces of the affected family were clearly visible, making the situation deeply heartbreaking. Among those present were Safdar Chaudhary, head of Rahe-Nijat Ministry, Catherine from Christian True Spirit, along with Sapna, Kramat, Ashir Sarfraz, and renowned journalist Hiba Gill. All participants expressed strong solidarity with the victims' family and assured them of full cooperation in the legal process, pledging to provide a very possible support to ensure justice. It was emphasized that the grieving family will not be left alone during this difficult time, and all necessary steps will be taken until justice is served. Human rights leaders stated that raising a voice against such incidents is a collective responsibility, and ensuring justice for the oppressed remains their top priority.